I think we ought to make something cool today. Got this old piece of scrap 2x4. Let's make a lure. Here we're going to start roughing out the body on the lathe. And the profile's starting to take shape. After drawing some reference lines, now we need to put some weight in the front of it. For this, I use solder. Just melt it right on in. If you top off the hole with baking soda and then squirt it down with some super glue, it gets rock hard instantly. Then you can sand it down flush. With a drill, a nail, and some stainless wire, we've got eyes for all of our hardware. We'll start out with a white base coat. This helps seal it up and also gives us a good place to start for our paint scheme. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know that I've never done this before, so I'm winging it. I hope it turns out. I guess that's not too bad for a beginner. Only one thing left to do. And that's wait for the rain to stop. If you guys want some inspiration on making baits, check out Marling Baits on YouTube. The guy is awesome. Well, until next time, we'll catch you guys later.